Today, we're going to challenge a common piece of financial advice: living below your means. It's a concept we've all heard time and again. Save more, spend less. Yet, there's a hidden nuance to this advice. While it's crucial to be mindful of your spending, honing in exclusively on cost-cutting can be a financial dead end. Why? Well, there's only so much you can eliminate from your budget. So while it's essential to manage your spending, focusing solely on cutting expenses can have its limitations. Many people believe that the path to financial security is found in penny pinching and frugal living. It's a narrative we've all heard: cut back on the lattes, eat out less, repurpose, and recycle. And while these strategies have their place, they are not the be-all and end-all of financial freedom. The problem with focusing solely on cutting expenses is that it can become a restrictive, even counterproductive approach. This is because there's a limit to how much you can trim from your budget. You can only cut back on so many coffees, and you can only cancel so many subscriptions before you hit a wall. Moreover, this strategy might not help you build wealth as quickly as you'd like. It's like trying to fill a bucket with a hole in the bottom. No matter how much you pour in, if you're not addressing the root issue, in this case, a lack of income, you're always going to be playing catch-up. So, while it's important to keep expenses in check, we must remember, cutting expenses can only take you so far. There's a limit to how much you can trim from your budget, and this approach might not help you build wealth as quickly as you'd like. To truly improve your financial situation, you need to consider another side of the equation: increasing your income. Imagine if you could double, triple, or even quadruple your income. Suddenly, you're not just scraping by, you're thriving. The power of increasing income lies in its limitless potential. Unlike cutting expenses where there's a finite amount to be saved, your income potential is boundless. Now, how do we tap into this potential? It's about seeking opportunities to earn more. This could be asking for a raise, changing careers, starting a side hustle, or even investing in further education to increase your earning potential. But it's not just about earning more. It's about making smart investments. This could mean investing in stocks, real estate, or even yourself. These investments can help you generate passive income, allowing your money to work for you even while you sleep. This doesn't mean reckless spending, but rather smart investments in yourself and your assets. Investing in assets like stocks, real estate, or starting a side business can open doors to wealth building. These aren't just static purchases, but dynamic assets that can produce an ongoing stream of income. Imagine a tree that consistently drops ripe fruit, not just a single harvest. Over time, these investments can increase in value, compounding your initial input. It's like planting a seed and watching it grow into a fruitful tree. These investments can potentially generate passive income and grow in value over time, offering a path to financial freedom. In reality, the most successful financial strategies involve a balance between managing expenses and growing your income. It's important to understand that financial success isn't solely about penny pinching. It's about finding equilibrium, living within your means while continuously seeking avenues to increase those means. This approach allows you to enjoy your present life without compromising your financial future. It's a marriage of financial responsibility and ambition. It's about being financially responsible while actively working on your financial growth. So, the key takeaway here is that financial success isn't solely about frugality and cutting expenses. It's a sophisticated dance, balancing the art of managing your money efficiently with the science of strategically increasing your income and assets. Remember, it's not just about living below your means, but rather living within your means while simultaneously striving to expand those means. By finding that balance, you can truly secure your financial future and achieve your goals. Thanks for watching, and remember, it's all about achieving a better financial you.